This is Siemens Electrical Engineering. Today's tutorial is about how to connect a contactor. This is our contactor, as you can see, and then this is our stop button and start button. And this is our motor, three-phase motor. So this is our diagram, as you can see here. We have L, and then it's connecting to the stop button. So stop button, the L is connecting to 1, and then from 1 you connect from 1 to 2, and then from 2 to 3, which is the start button. So from 3 to 4, which is the start button, and then you connect to the contactor A1, and then we have contactor A2, which is the neutral. So this is simple diagram that you are seeing here, and then we are about to demonstrate how you can wire it. So let's move on, guys. So this is our contactor, and then our stop button and start button. So let's move on. So first of all, you need your stop button. So the stop button, you connect 1 from the live to 1. So this is our live. As you can see here, this is our live. We are connecting to 1. So in our stop button, our own is 11. So from 1. And then the second one is 2 here. So our own is 12. 12 here. So we are connecting it to 12. So as you can see, we are connecting it to 12. So from 12 to 13, which is 3 here. As you can see, this is the 3 at the start button. So start button, as you can see here, we are connecting it. Now we've connected it. And then the last one is 14. So this is the 14 cable. So from the 14, now we are done with the stop and the start button wiring. Then we are moving to the contactor. So we'll be connecting to A1. So this is our A1 in the contactor. So now we've connected it to the A1. So now we need to loop from 13 to the contactor 13, and then we'll loop from 4 to the contactor 14. So from 3 to contactor 13, and then from 4 to contactor 14. So let's move on. So as you can see, this is the 13, 3 rather, in the start button. So 3. So this wiring is just easy wiring. So you can use it for the com mail connection when you want to use the start button and the stop button for the contactor, and then you can use it for com mail. Those who use the com mail machines, so you can use this connection for the com mail machines. Then this one is going to contactor 13. This is the 13. And then this is the contactor 4, which is here. Then we'll look from the 4 to the 14 in the contactor. So it's going to the 14 in the contactor. So we are connecting our neutral. So our neutral is going to A2. So now we are done with our connection. Now everything is intact. Thank you very much for watching this video. Mhm. Okay, engineers. So as you can see, now I'm done with my connections, my wiring on the contactor. So let's see how it works. So as you can see, it has energized. And then if you want to stop it, you need to use the stop button. And then if you want to start it, you use the start button. So this is how it works. And then if you want to use you want to attach the motor to the contactor, so we'll be doing it like this. This is how the connections goes. First of all, you loop the neutral. So let's move on. You are looping the neutral. First of all, you off the power and then you loop the neutral. So we are looping the neutral. So if you loop the neutral, then you put, if you loop it, then you put it in. We have L1, we have L2, we have L3, and then sorry, we have L1, we have L2, we have L3, we have L4, we have L5. So in the L5, then you place it there. And then secondly, we'll be placing it in L3. This is the life. and then we loop from A1. So this is how the connection is. A1. We loop from A1, and then the first one, the neutral, we loop from A2 R to the 5, and then we loop from A1 to 3. So first we'll be doing it like this. So this 3 and this 4. So this is the life. We are connecting 4. So you can see it here. This 4. And then the second one, 5 and 6. So this is how the connection is. So now if you find it interested, you can leave the comment under the comment section below, and you can like it, and make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel, UMS Electrical Engineering. So this is how we are about to start. So we are powering our contactor. We are about to energize our contactor. So let's press on the start button. So press. So as you can see, if you press on the start button, and then have you see how the motor is running? And then when you press on the start button, it stop. Yeah, this one is not having a. So as you can see, the start button is moving, and the start button start. So maybe